So here in my fifth headshot photography session, I'm with my friend Jane. She's an actor in the industry and needs some headshots. We spoke about what she was looking for. She sent me through some example shots. So we're setting up for our first one now. Basically for our first setup, we're going for a natural lighting look, but something with a bit more eye-catching than just a white background. So for the first shot, we wanted a more natural look, like we said before. So we used a big softbox diffuser on the light, and then we did 3 different lighting setups to figure out what worked best with the client and her face shape. So then we went outside, and it was really bright daylight, so we thought we may as well use the sunlight that we had available, but still lit up the background and made all the skin and everything look really clean.